Good afternoon, kids. It's Ronnie Ron here with another exciting adventure. I'm in pain. I'm always in pain, but I gotta do stupid shit like this. Did you ever have to do shit like this? Look up there. Can you see that? That fan stuff? They got the fan thing, and they got all these parts, and I don't know what half this shit is. I can't be doing this. I got a bad back. But look, I have to find somebody. Look at this. You got one of these? Look, you gotta take this thing. Looks like I don't know what it is. A mushroom or something. And you gotta stick it up inside that thing up there, and it's gotta hang down like from up here. It's gonna take forever. I can't do that bullshit. I'm too old. What the fuck is this?